welcome back to my channel. I'm with my sister Taylor. Hi.
No, honey, no.
And we're about to just go run some errands together. She still needs to get some Christmas presents for people, and I just need to pick up a few things. I'm also kind of hungry. So busy in there. I hated every second of it. I planned on actually like vlogging in there, and I just ended up not because it was insanely busy. The lines were so long. Every aisle was packed, right? Wasn't that crazy?
Yeah, I'm looking out here.
Yeah, and like the parking lots are crazy. It's just the holiday times. We're back. Kitty is so hungry, so I tend to feed her a little bit early. I just decorated some Christmas cookies really fast because that just sounded really good when I got back. But right now I'm gonna quickly do like a little tidy up of my room. That's normally the first thing to like start off my night once I get home, or even just like around this time, like 4 or 5-ish before dinner. I kind of just like to get my room back in order. I was actually doing work all morning, so it did get like a little bit messy and stuff. I have cat toys and stuff, so I'm just gonna eat these cookies while I throw on some Vlogmas on the TV and get my room a little tidied up. She wants all these toys that I got her, but this is all the stuff that I got. I got a new like camera bag because I've been using this old makeup bag, so I'm excited about that. Excuse me, crazy. That's supposed to be for Christmas.
Until you solve the case and catch the killer. I'm sure a lot of you are aware that the sun has been going down at like 4 p.m.
Hi guys, good morning. I look emo right now. I slept in my makeup last night and I just showered, and now my makeup is all over my face. I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be making Christmas cookies with my cousin, my sister, my aunt, and my mom, and I'm just really excited. It's going to be really fun, so I'll show you guys all of that. My sister and my cousin are just really funny together, so you guys will get a kick out of them. I think my mom also said that she wants to get a picture potentially for a Christmas card today, so I think I'm going to do my hair. I'm just going to blow dry and style it with one of the best and affordable hair tools on the planet. It sounds like I'm about to be sponsored by them, but I'm definitely not. But I do wish I was. This is the hair tool that everyone needs. I really want to try, what's it called? There's like this really expensive new hair tool that I've been seeing all over YouTube and TikTok, and it just has like all these different settings, including something like this, but this is so amazing and it's so affordable. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I have the same thing, but this is actually my mom's. I have the same one in blue. I'll speed it up and just kind of show you guys what I do, but it makes my hair look amazing. Whenever I take Instagram pictures, or honestly whenever I've been getting ready lately and I want to do my hair, this is what I do. I couldn't even tell you the last time that I used a straightener, and it's a lot better for your hair than straightening is, so I highly recommend you guys try this out. So sad.
I'm literally going to get you.
So easy to do, and it's kind of just like a little mini like blowout that you would get at the salon, and it looks so nice. I've been already getting better at it, and I've probably done it less than like 15 times, but I think you could get like really good at it and make your hair look really nice. But yeah, I love it. Hey guys, what's up? And that's how you do it. I am so pale, but my sister just went and got me a white peppermint mocha. But if you didn't pick up on what happened, she accidentally dropped it, the first one that she got, but then she was like, I'll just go get you another one. And I was like, are you sure? Because I felt bad, but she did. Yay. You guys, my management sent me Christmas gift. Look at how cute this is. Mom, come look at this. And like they gave me this little card. There's like a cute little hot and cold like little cup. And then there's this cute little crew neck. Like I just love the colors of this. And there's also masks, which I think is actually Spencer's. I think it might be his mom's company, but 3 really cute little masks in here. Like look how cute these masks are. And then like a bunch of stickers, some pens. That was really sweet. I was really excited to get this.
We're going to start with this big cookie. So I got another brand new one. What's that from? But I want this.
The Santa Claus. Kitty, you look kind of angry looking at this. She always attacks my camera because of this little, what's this called? I'm really blanking. Hey, chill. Excuse me. Hello. Hi you guys. So it's actually the next day now and I was just editing this video and I realized that it's still kind of short. I ended up combining Saturday and Sunday's video like vlog footage, and as you guys know, like I just had nose surgery. Like I'm still really recovering and I finished up finals, so you know I'm starting to feel better and better every day. And now that I don't have finals, I feel so much lighter just like mentally, and I'm really looking forward to like filming a bunch this week. I actually need to pre-film for like the week of New Year's Eve because I won't be home, so I just have a lot to do and I've been like kind of stressed out. So I'm sorry that I'm a day behind and I ended up not posting a video on Saturday, but I'm really trying to upload as much as I can. Yesterday was really fun too, just like making Christmas cookies. We ended up staying a lot later than expected, so that's also why I didn't upload a video, because I was planning on uploading that yesterday, but I ended up not getting home until like 12. We were just like hanging out and stuff. I'm gonna end off this video here. We're getting so close to Christmas and I promise I will have a video up for you guys every day until then. If you have any specific videos that you want to see, let me know. Make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss another video. Give this one a thumbs up if you guys liked it. If you made it to this point in the video, comment this emoji. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that we can be friends. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys tomorrow.